Have you ever played the game when you look up at the clouds and you try to find people, animals, or things? Your brain is always subconsciously finding patterns, shapes, and meaning to everything you look at to try to make sense of the world. This is the basic foundation of Gestalt theory, which stems from Gestalt psychology, a theory thought that originated in Germany in the early 20th century. We will review some of the laws associated with Gestalt psychology and talk about how it relates to design. When we understand how the human brain processes and categorizes a series of elements, we can use that understanding to help us craft easy-to-digest visual messages. Gestalt theory is really just trying to explain how we visualize and organize information. Organizing this information is the very core of what we do as graphic designers. So there's several different principles or laws within Gestalt theory, and we're going to go over these 7 today. Similarity, proximity, symmetry and order, simplicity, closure, continuation, and the law of experience. After taking this class, you'll be very comfortable identifying several Gestalt principles, and we'll be able to get a chance to look at tons of real-world examples. You'll even be tasked with a student project that allows you to discover these design principles in the wild. My name is Lindsay Marsh, and teaching design theory is my jam. I've been a graphic designer for over 20 years and a design instructor to over 350,000 graphic design students. I'm excited to be able to bring this class to you today. So I'll see you in the first lesson.